Dr. Kanfer and I have had a lot of discussions about how to tell how much exercise is too much for your rabbit, how to tell if you're stretching your rabbit too much, how to tell if the rabbit is in pain or has fatigue. And the answer to that both of us have been able to come up with is that we just don't know. It's very, very, very difficult. Sometimes it's obvious the rabbit refuses to get up, okay? But most of the time, if there's pain going on or some sort of soreness or fatigue in a rabbit, unless you're extremely in tune to that rabbit's personality, you're not going to get it. You're not going to see it. You're not going to notice it. So, as you guys all know, by the time it becomes super obvious that your rabbit has a pain issue or an illness, and when I say illness, I mean non-musculoskeletal. I mean a sickness, in other words, right? By the time that becomes super obvious, then it's a medical emergency, right? Now, this musculoskeletal things are not medical emergencies. These are things that we need to do to work on strengthening the muscles, realigning the muscles, stretching joints that have gotten a little bit too tight, stretching muscles that have gotten a little bit too tight, and overall realigning things to improve posture and mobility. Okay, so you're not waiting until your rabbit is in such a horrendous state that you're rushing your rabbit to the emergency room. All you're looking for is something that tells you that that rabbit wants to do something and can't, wants to hop and can't, wants to spend more time grooming but keeps falling over. That's going to be an inefficient core. Also, one thing I've noticed is that rabbits tend to recover and improve very fast. And so I tend to see really, really quick recoveries in rabbits. Amazingly quick. And then once you get to that recovery state, it just becomes a matter of developing a wellness program. And any species needs a wellness program. Humans need wellness programs. Rabbits need wellness programs. And the wellness program is just something to help them to extend their life in an active manner. So that because we all know that as we're getting better and better at caring for our rabbits, that the length of time that they're living is getting longer and longer, right? If you look at research from 10 years ago that gives a life expectancy, and now you look at research from now, there's a huge difference in that. And a lot of that is attributed to the fact that we're learning more and more about how to care for them medically. And if we can learn more and more about how to care for them musculoskeletally, then we'll make that length of life medically happier and more functional.